guys, welcome back to my channel, Lily Marlene's Blur of Color. Today I am using a new for me palette. I know this is not new, I guess it's about 2 months old, but they had a restock, so I got my fingers on it, and it is the Juvia's Place Wahala palette. I think it's kind of cool that it translates to drama, and I love this holo on the packaging. Well, I'm a sucker for holo, so sorry. Everything holo is great with me. Yeah, this is what it looks like. Such a gorgeous color star. You have so many options to do with these, and yeah, for my first impressions, as I had expected, good quality. I had very little fallout with which would I use? Sis and Woke. There was a little bit more fallout with Love, the teal one, and on the eyes I had a little bit falls in the face with Power, but these two shimmers picked up very nicely on a dry brush, so no problem there. And as usual with Juvia's palette, good quality, good pigmentation, very nice palette, and I'm looking forward to playing a little bit more with it. On top of that, Juvia's Place came out with new lipsticks. The nude velvety matte lipsticks in 3 shade groups. I got 2 of the mauves because I'm more like a cool toned nude one. So here's what the packaging of the lipstick itself looks like. Quite nice with this ombre moment. Here's this lipstick. As you can see, this is the color #2020. I haven't used bullet lipsticks for quite a while, so wasn't used to the application anymore, but I think I could get it on quite nicely, and yeah, it feels very nice on the lips. It's not sticky, doesn't feel very heavy, feels nourishing, kind of like a balm, but it isn't matte, and I love myself a matte lipstick. So yes, if you're interested in seeing how I did this look, keep on watching, stay tuned, and have fun. As usual, I am starting out with the Hydro Grip Primer by Milk. Next, I'm going in with the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the color NW18 and a Morphe M439 brush. For my brows, I'm using the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Taupe. As an eyeshadow primer, I'm using the Wonder 2 Prime and Behold. Now I'm ready to dig into the fun. I'm starting with Woke or Woke, I don't know, and the Morphe M506 brush and my crease as a transition shade. On my lid, I'm using Sis and the same brush. This color needs a little bit of build-up, but it is very buildable, and after building it up a little bit, it's quite nice and opaque. And I like it that it's not a total dark, no, a total black, but still a little lighter, so nice dark color. On my lid, I'm going in with Fighter and a Morphe M124 brush, and I must say this color is a gorgeous green duochrome, which shifts from a goldy green to a tealy turquoise kind of color, so very nice. For the outer part of my lid, I'm going in with Power, which is a multi-chrome and shifts from green through blue to a dark purple color. Also totally pretty, and I'm a sucker for multi or duochrome, so I can't help myself and just like that color. On my lower lash line, I'm using Love and the Morphe M506 brush, and Love is a very nice blue turquoisey color. I'm really bad in describing color, so a very nice bluish color, and I really like it. Although this one has a little bit more fallout than the rest of the colors that I've used so far. And to deepen up the lower lash line and the outer part, I'm going back in with Sis. In my waterline, I'm using one of the NYX 4 whites in the color White Smoke, which is a light lavender shade. And as an eyeliner, I'm using the NYX Epic Ink Liner as usual. To bronze up my face, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the color Bronzer, and I'm applying it with the Real Techniques Dual Fiber Face Brush, which was in a limited edition bundle, so I think it is discontinued. With the contour shade of the Catrice Cosmetics 3 Steps to Contour palette, I'm just contouring my cheeks and my nose and my temples and the forehead. So yeah, contouring a lot. And I'm using a Morphe E4 brush for this. For my cheeks, I'm using the Nabla Blossom Blush in the color Regal Mauve, and I'm applying it with the Morphe M405 brush. As a highlighter, I'm using the Fenty Kilowatt highlighter in the color Chills, which is a very nice bluey turquoisey color, and it's new for me, and I tried the first time in this video, and I really like it. It has a nice shine to it, but it doesn't look chalky when you look from the front, so perfect for a highlighter. As a mascara, I'm using the Benefit Bechdel Bang and 2 coats, although I'm showing only one here, so you have to imagine I did too. As an inner corner and brow bone highlight, I'm also using Chills, and I'm applying that with the Morphe JS13 brush, which is my usual go-to brush for inner corner and brow bone highlights. I don't know why, it just picked it out for me. On my lips, I'm using one of the Juvia's Place, the nude bullet lipsticks from the Mauves, and I'm using the color hashtag 2020. And I must say, I'm totally not used to apply bullet lipsticks anymore, and I think this one also has a weird shape that I have to get used to, but it's still fine and workable, and it is a very nice color, and it is a matte lipstick, and it holds all through the day only with tapping my lips on a paper tissue once, and it smells very nice. To set my face, I'm using the MAC Fix Plus in Matte, and I'm just drying it off with a little fan. Here's the finished look. I quite like it, and I quite like the palette, and I'll definitely be playing with that a little more, and I'll definitely be reusing the bullet lipsticks also. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and see you in the next video. Bye!